As you've seen before, nowadays there are many problems correlated to our traffic system. The number of vehicles increases yearly, and especially in big cities, the traffic problems tend to concentrate. From 2000 to 2013, the number of cars in Italy increased by 20%. This increase entails several problems, especially for the citizens in big cities. Although a car spends just around 2% of its daily course waiting in front of a traffic light, this small period already contributes to 25% of the whole pollution exposure of the population. The traffic situation for ambulance cars is quite bad, due to congestions and accidents. From 2008 to 2011, there were almost 1,000 accidents with ambulance cars involved. 10% of those happened at a street crossing they had to pass. Our idea is to make use of modern information and communication technology to create a network system that controls the traffic in an intelligent and efficient way. Inside this network, we differentiate between traffic lights, private cars and public cars. Public cars are called in case of emergency, for example ambulance cars, fire cars or police cars. Those objects will be equipped with special modules that enable them to communicate with each other. The network is enhanced by a server and roadside units that improve the communication signals. To realize this idea in practice, we want to put the municipalities in charge. Each municipality should be forced by law to implement and maintain such a network. This process consists of setting up all traffic lights with the necessary devices, constructing roadside units and servers, and implementing fixed onboard units into all public cars. Additionally, private cars shall be obliged to buy movable onboard units. To leverage this process, our proposal is to improve the existing EU plan of a Europe-wide eCall system for 2018. The eCall system is meant to send out an automatic emergency call as soon as a bad accident happened to a car. Within this eCall module, the functionalities shall be advanced and the technical devices necessary for our network shall be added. The new process of handling an emergency case will be like this. An emergency call arrives. The route to the location will be calculated. The public car starts on his way. It approaches a particular traffic light. The traffic lights receive a signal and turn red. Additionally, all the private cars get a message to form a corridor for the approaching public car. To allocate the traffic in a more efficient way, the time period of a traffic light's red and green phase shall be determined dynamically, dependent on a certain traffic situation. By making use of the communication technology, it is possible to count the amount of cars waiting in front of each traffic light. To reduce the overall waiting time and the consequent pollution, the traffic light module modifies its red or green phase. We suggest the following timeline. The technical aspects and the electronic devices should be developed and manufactured with a deadline of the 31st April of 2018. The Europe-wide introduction of the eCall system. By the 31st of August, all private cars are obliged to have installed the movable onboard units. All municipalities are forced by law to create and maintain the system of traffic light and public car modules with a deadline of the 31st December of 2018. Everybody of us is exposed to the problems addressed by our project. Modern technologies already exist. Why shall we not use them to improve our lives?